Okay, here we go again with Miss Lil. 6 o'clock. It's only 6 o'clock, Lily, in the morning. Surely. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey? Like, really? I haven't woken up, Bob. Like, talk about a social snake. Well, do you think Miss Lily's a socialite? Because I tell you what. Hey, Cheeky, what are you doing up so early? I swear Lily feels that out is her home. Well, yeah, I go in there and I go to sleep in my enclosure, but other than that, it's of no purpose to me, because what's purposeful is coming out and being out here, is it not? There's no lights on, no nothing, Lil. So it's very hard to film you in this light, I tell you. She just sees me coming to this room and it's an instant, well, you're up, so okay, I'm out. And that's Lily, and it's always been Lily. You know, she does have a downtime, of course, when she's eaten or in shed, but otherwise, I tell you, I can't keep her in her enclosure. And no, people, for those who say it's because she doesn't like her enclosure, that is by no means how it is at all. She likes her enclosure, but she likes coming out as well. That's the end of the story when it's Lily. And who wouldn't like to hang up there during the day and just, yep. And that's where she wants to go. That is where she's heading, and I will help her. I mean, she's quite capable of getting up there all by herself, but, doesn't hurt me to help her out and let her get going. But yeah, it truly is the way it is. Yeah, she doesn't have to stay in there. Why is she going to stay in there? She's going to want to come on out and enjoy out here. This is her home. This is a part of her home. And, I have spoken so much about it in the past, as in, I've made the outside as equally as much a safe zone. And when I say safe zone, I'm talking about for my snakes. They just know this area so well to be somewhere where they can be. There's nothing that's going to harm them. Except sometimes Lily gets a bit cheeky. Do you not? And you're not going down that way. You can go on up that way and check things out. But yeah, it's a safe zone. They're not in danger. Nothing is going to hurt them. So they're comfortable enough to come on out and be out here and spend time out here. And I'm happy to bring them out, but not at 6 o'clock in the morning. But snakes don't always run on our time clock. They run on their own. And certainly Lily is my worst at doing this all of the time. I mean, I've straightened up her enclosure, except you can see I've straightened up this end. I mean, this box was all the way over here because she was getting frustrated because I wasn't. You can see I'm forever fixing up the substrate, etc. after Lily has thrown her little tantrums, because it wasn't like I was ignoring her, but I certainly wasn't taking much, and I was hoping she would stop, but she didn't. She was determined to let me know that, no, I'm not going to settle back down. I am going to be coming out, and you're going to be opening the door, because she knows me well enough to know that if she starts throwing those patties of hers, I'll open the door. And they can't think, and they can't put two and two together. Oh, my goodness. Of course they can. Just Lily knows I've only got to throw those temper tantrums, and my mum is going to open that door and let me come out. That's totally, I know what she's thinking and why she does what she does, because that's her way of telling me I don't want to be in there, I want to come out, so open the door and let me out. End of story. That is what she wanted to achieve, and she achieves it more often than not. Of course, if I was having to go somewhere, I wouldn't be able to do it, and her enclosure would be 10 times more a mess. And that's why I hate not being able to get her out when she is throwing one of those tantrums, because she just annihilates her enclosure. So, of course, now she's cool. I can check a few things out, and she may not settle up there initially. She may decide to have a little bit of an explore first, but I think she's going to have a little bit of an explore first today. Lil, what are you doing? Where do you think you're going? Mum's in Zoom. I know if she could talk, she'd say, well, why do you put it in Zoom? Because you're hopeless filming when you're in Zoom. You forget that you're there all the time. Gonna hang up there and behave yourself? 6 o'clock in the morning, I just want you to hang there for a little while before you start moving and grooving today. Okay? That would be wonderful. At least she's eating. That's a relief. But I knew she would. She just, it's off topic a bit, but my Oscar fish, who recently passed away after 12 odd years, was a bit the same. If I moved things around in his tank and straightened things up, he would chuck a tantrum on me. He wouldn't eat for a week. He would float sideways in his tank, moody, really moody fish. Well, Lily's the same. Absolutely the same. Change things on her, and that is that's a big yawn. Change things on Lily. She doesn't like it. She didn't eat. Hey, what are you doing? Why are you doing this? I was quite happy where I was, and I'm sure that she was. But I now know she's quite happy where she is too. What do you think, Lil? You okay? Now I'm going to zoom in even more, because I'm going to get up close while she's just laying there. Wait for this camera to focus on it. guys, just a quick little video of my usual Lily throwing her little patties to come on out. And yeah, I'm going to love you and leave you for this video. So take care of yourself, your family, and your snakes. Ciao.